today's video you guys are watching is me doing a voiceover in my best friend video. And today look, she's going for a natural go-to look to do every day, you know. So now she's going to be using a pound moisturizer, and she's going to like put it on her face, a little dab, don't put a lot, and she's going to rub it in. This absorb your skin, smoothing your skin when you guys put on makeup and stuff. So she's going to rub it in and everything, and rub it in good. Then she's going to do her eyebrows, and she's using the LA colors, the brown one, and she's going to brush her eyebrows, like, you know, to like get a good stable way to like when she starts doing her outer line. So as she's doing her outer line, please do like try to match it up with your eyebrows, please guys. And as you can see, she's going to outline the bottom of her eyebrows and the top, and she's going to color it in. So like it's like your eyebrows can be nice and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So it could be on fleek. Gonna get crunked. Sorry. Then as you can see, she does that. She's going to do that to the other side too. So we're going to see the result when she's done doing her eyebrows. Really came out good. Now she's going to use a concealer to get a really good shape of it. She wants to do the bottom part of her eyebrows and the top part of her eyebrows, and she's going to blend it in, guys. That's one thing you girls should do, is blend in your concealer. So as you can see, she's blended it in, and like you should really blend it in real good. Then and she's going to do it to the other side, so you're going to see the result at the end. Now she's using mascara. I never told my best friend this, but to me her mascara is longer than mine. Mine's look like a bald chicken. But she's going to use this dark mascara. You know, you can get this mascara anywhere. No sponsors, but you can get it anywhere. And it's like makes your eyelashes longer. You know, my best friend look pretty either way. She don't even need fake eyelashes. Like, girl, flake, what the, like, girl. So now she's going to be using another concealer to put it under her eyes, and to like really lighten her her tone a little, you know, because it's not really a big makeup thing, you know, it's not really big, it's just a natural thing for you to go out with, which is let's breathe. So as you can see, she's going to put it under her eyes, then she's going to blend it in. Yeah, she really blend it in good, you know. And she's going to use this lip gloss. It's like a brownish peaches lip gloss. It really looks cute. I really like it. It looks nice on her. She looks really beautiful, you know, pretty. And as you can see, she's going to use her hoop earrings, and you know, it's really coming out good. And as you can see, the look is really nice and it's really good. And my best friend looked pretty, like. And I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a nice comment to this video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.